Hello friends, I hope you do quite well, and here big bundle of brochure template. These files are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign, and some other files for Microsoft Office. But these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sheri.com, just one time payment and lifetime access. Okay. Here, A5 Bifold-brochure mockup you can customize in Adobe Photoshop. These are Photoshop files. Okay. Here, 8.40 GB file, but don't worry, I will compressed in some parts or three parts. Okay. Here, 978 total file, and templates are I think 900 plus. Okay. Here, annual report open. Here, AI, APS and PST. Okay, you can customize in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. You see here another report in three different format: AI, APS and PST. Apartment default voucher. You can put your own image or you can put your company name. Art craft default voucher, and here agriculture. InDesign APS or AI APS PST. Your InDesign file. Real estate voucher. Plumber. Two different format: InDesign and Photoshop. And here real estate. Discover your home. Okay. Next, again real estate. Before voucher, and here third real estate. Restaurant food. All files are fully customizable. You can download, but first you need subscription. Go to sheri.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access. Take care. Allah Hafiz.